अब उस राज्य की ओर चलते हैं जहां पर आदिवासी समुदाय के लोग हमारे देश की शान बढ़ाते हैं। जरा बताइए वो कौन सा राज्य है? बहुत खूब, जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए छत्तीसगढ़ से आज हमारे बीच आए सुशील कुमार मार्कम जी का। ये तालियां जोरदार होनी चाहिए जो आज सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल जी पर अपना वक्तव्य अंग्रेजी भाषा में प्रस्तुत करेंगे, क्योंकि पटेल साहब ने खुद कहा था कि एकता का स्वर बुलंद करो, क्योंकि हम एक हैं और भारत अखंड रहेगा। अखंड भारत, आपका भारत।
था एक सरदार मन का, लौह पुरुष आवाज जन का, चल पड़े अधिकार लेने एकता अभियान लेकर। क्या गरीबी क्या किसानी, क्या गरीबी क्या किसानी, एकता की वो जबानी, ला दिया मन में भूचाल, ला दिया मन में भूचाल, आजादी का अभियान लेकर, आजादी का अभियान लेकर। जय जोहार, मोर नाम सुशील मरकाम हरे और मैं हाँ मेरा युवा भारत सुकमा छत्तीसगढ़ के प्रतिनिधित्व करत हूँ। Today is the National Day of Unity, a day to remember the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, to embrace the spirit of oneness among the people of India, and to talk about a legacy of a statesman whose courage, strength and determination has shaped the destiny of a nation. The Bharat Ratna, the Iron Man of India and the architect of national unity, the one and only our beloved Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was born in Nadial, Gujarat and chased his dreams to become a successful barrister. Yet his heart was always with the people of India. So he joined Indian freedom movement as he was influenced by Bapuji. His fearless fight in Khera and Bardoli Satyagraha for the farmers led him to earn the title of Sardarji. Then he never looked back and also played an important role in non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, and one of the most trustable pillars of Indian National Congress. After independence, Sardarji served as first Deputy Prime Minister, Home Minister and Commander-in-Chief of Indian Armed Forces. He organized relief efforts for the refugees fleeing to Punjab and Delhi from the Pakistan following partition. He also led foundation for the All India Civil Services Examination. Sardarji believed manpower without unity is nothing unless it is harmonized and united properly. So my dear friends, there is many learnings we can take from Sardarji. Unity in diversity means strength lies in standing together despite differences. Discipline and determination, stay focused and never give up. Courage to lead, never wait for anybody, just step forward and take the responsibility. Practical patriotism, just if you love your country, just work for it in every field. Because his life reminds us that real leadership is serving the people of our country and putting our nation above the self-interest. So my dear friends, let's take a pledge that we are the youth of present and future. And this is our solely responsibility to stay united and serve the nation first. At last, thank you so much, Pride, for this Pride moment, and Jai Bharat, Jai Chhattisgarh. Thank you.
जोहार सुशील कुमार, आपने हम सब में निश्चित रूप से एक नई एनर्जी भर दी है, एक नई एनर्जी का संचार हुआ है और ये छत्तीसगढ़ की आवाज थी, देश की आवाज थी। तो आइए एक बार पुनः आवाज बुलंद करें और बोले।